YouTube, it is chilly and we have a box to open. Let's get right to it. Okay, so this is the Aputure AL-MW. Just got the box out of the package, and what we're hearing is, I'm not quite sure, but here it is. I'm gonna get this box open for you. So this is the Aputure AL-MW, and what was pretty cool about this light for me is I was thinking of it in terms of just kind of taking it with me on street photography, just to kind of put a piece of, put just a little touch of light somewhere or something, just if I need just something a little bit more with the subject without having to walk around with a strobe. It's waterproof, like such possibilities between like this and a GoPro or this and just a newer iPhone. Let's open this up and see what we find. Inside of here. All right, looks like a kind of like a rubber cover for all of these, and we've got a whole bunch of different gel colors. And I guess when we refer to all the instructions, that'll give us an idea of exactly what color temperature all these would be. Now, from what I understand, you can purchase or get a whole bunch more colored gels that will fit right here inside. I think Aputure has them right on their website. There's a link down in the description for you to check it out. This thing is super bright. Oh my God. I didn't think the battery was gonna be charged, but here it is. Wow, you can really see how bright that is. Like, wow. So let's have a look and see kind of what this looks like and where we're at power-wise. So this is gonna be 1%, and I'm just gonna step up. Here's an increment, here's an increment, here's an increment. And that's as bright as it goes. There's also a booster. Whew, it's definitely a boost. And you've got some effect controls here too. So I'm gonna hold that booster button. These are the effects. I think that's lightning. Maybe these are police. That's gonna be lightning for sure, right? Like, what do you think about that? Does that look like lightning? Honestly, way more light than I was ever expecting it to be. And this thing has the same chip on board technology that like the 120D has, and the 120D Mark II, and the 300D. This is really super powerful, and it charges with USB-C, which is great. I can plug it right into my MacBook and get it charged up, or use my MacBook charger, or all of the USB-C stuff that I have already. So I'm like super excited about being able to do that. I've got a 1/4-20 mount right here, so I can add that onto like a friction arm or attach it onto my small rig cage on my camera. Wow, this thing is just feels real nice. They got a little charging cable in here too, and then you do have this case to carry it around in, and the different gels. So wow, you should definitely get a closer look at this thing over on Amazon or Aputure's site. There's links down in the description. They are affiliated links, so if you use those links, I will get a small commission, and Amazon or Aputure will know that you came from watching this video. So I really appreciate you watching. Thanks again for coming back for another video. This was just a quick one, but I really wanted to show you this light. I'm super excited about it. Say hello down in the comments and follow me over on Instagram. Say hello with a DM anytime. I respond to pretty much every comment as often as I possibly can, and I really appreciate your support if you've been a subscriber. Anyway, thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Let's play with the gels.